Okay, so today we're gonna try some different animation techniques, and that's gonna involve pointing the Chromebook camera face down. Now, if you have a attachable camera on your computer, you can kind of put it wherever you want. You can adjust it, that's great. We're gonna focus on pointing the camera down at the ground because that makes doing some very interesting animations that have the sense of gravity a lot easier. But I'm gonna show you the setup that I want you to go for over here. Set up your Chromebook like normal. Take a piece of white paper and just stick it right under, a little bit under the keyboard there. And then you're gonna open the Stopmotion program and you're gonna bend the camera down until, if you look here, it sees the paper and just the paper. So there's the angle it's at. It's like, you know, it's 45 degrees, maybe, okay? And then your animation is gonna take place here. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is find a small object. This fits inside my hand, and I'm gonna put it on there. And I'm gonna figure out real quick, I'm gonna actually look at the camera to figure out where your edge is for the camera. You're gonna just take your hand from the left side or the right side, and you're gonna start sliding and you'll see it appearing up here. See how it appears right there? So right at the edge that it appears, I'm gonna pull back and I'm gonna make a little mark right there. Then I'm gonna move down and I'm gonna slide out until just as it appears.
Okay, so everything behind this is off the camera. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Let's see, I'm gonna go down as far as I can, right to the corner. So like anything down here is not in the camera, so connect those lines right there. First, it's like an upside down screen. And then I know.
I'm gonna move my object. I'm probably even gonna want a smaller object. So let's see if we can get a bouncing object. Now you probably don't want a round object that's gonna roll. You want something flat like a penny or a quarter or any little object that will stay flat on the paper and not be hard to control. And then just see what you can do. Try several different objects, see which one looks the coolest. Be careful of your hand in the picture and good luck, and let's see what you get done. Tiny, itsy bitsy. The smaller your moves, the easier it is for the person watching. Then I'm gonna turn it so it's right at the angle. First two moves out of that corner, I'm gonna try to keep pretty close together. And then when it hits, I'm gonna angle it. I can see that my biggest mistake in this animation, and hopefully you can avoid it, is that my hand was in the picture a lot. So let's watch that playback. See, I was hitting the space bar, and because it was pointed down so low, my hand was showing up. So if you can avoid it, great. If you can't, hey, you know what? It's okay. And now it's up to you to make your animation. And why don't you try doing something where the object changes multiple times, bounces around. When it gets to the bottom again, it changes into another thing, it bounces around, changes, you know. Have fun with it, be creative. Can't wait to see what you come up with.